Today, 98% of the total country's requirement of pharmaceuticals are locally manufactured. So we actually can manufacture almost any kind of product that is available in the world market. When I started my career in ICCB Pharma, people used to know me as a pharmaceutical guy.
Organize the exhibition. And everyone was surprised why the gentlemen all the way coming from India and want to organize the exhibition.
Which justifies the rapid growth of the Bangladesh pharma industry. Secretary General, Bangladesh Association of Mr. Mohammad Halim Usman, Treasurer. We will be presenting a flower bouquet to Mr. Ravi Uday Bhaskar, Director General, Pharmaceuticals Export Promotion Council of India. Thank you. Now let us start our program with a recitation from the Holy Quran by Muhammad Sabir Al.
Opening ceremony of the Asia Pharma Expo here in Dhaka, Bangladesh. We've been participating in this event for many years now in collaboration with our local partner, Sika Technotrade.
Good morning, everybody. Thanks a lot to having me today with you. I'm very honored and flattered to talk to you and be with you in the street.
Opportunity to be part of this engagement. I once again promise. Yesterday I had a very fruitful discussions in 1993 till India won the World Cup. As a very small team and a small baby, Bangladesh is also a regulator, worked in Drugs Control Administration for 27 years. It's always a pro-patient policy. They're one of the first countries who adopted the essential medicines released from the WHO. So we always use
and producing machineries for the pharma industry since almost 50 years. We produce machines of
Nazmul Hassan MP, Director General. Our pharma, those who are more than 200 pharma that are producing this world-class medicine, they are following the CGMP guideline formulated by the WHO. As you know, leading pharma companies have already secured accreditations from major for generic and all and many sectors. The pharma sector is one of the fastest growing industrial sector in the country, and our manufacturers are now exporting world-class drug and medicine to around 157 countries, including the very stringent about 650.
President of Bangladesh Cricket Board to give his precious oration.
It is indeed a matter of great honor for me to welcome you all to the Asia Pharma Expo 2023, which is, of course, the largest pharmaceutical event in the and we would like to know what's happening in the pharmaceutical industry or arena, the newer technologies, the newer equipments, machineries. We need to know that. And Bangladesh is growing fast. I agree. I mean, I've been telling this for many years. We had problems, we have problems. And we will continue to have problems. I'm not disagreeing to that. But one thing everybody must admit, that despite all the challenges that a country like Bangladesh can have, all of the total generic must be from India. Now, Bangladesh still has that kind of opportunity, but we alone cannot do anything, to be very frank. We need support, and especially from friends that we have who have been supporting us from day one. I believe that if we work together, we can actually benefit mutually. It's not only for us. I'm sure other countries, if we work together, it will be mutually beneficial for all of us. When I came here, I was telling that speeches, as I said, Mr. Muqtadir has already mentioned, we are living in a very difficult time. Changes, the country is growing, Dhaka is growing. Please have a pleasant stay and enjoy. Thank you.